In this quick video, I'll show you how to enchant items in LEGO Fortnite. It's super simple. First of all, you'll need an enchanting table or LEGO Fortnite's equivalent. You'll need to get yourself a essence table. For this, you'll need 21 flexwood, which you get by destroying cactuses in the mesa/hot desert biome using the upgraded forest axe here. Rarity rare. You'll need a level 3 crafting table in order to create one of these, and to make one of them, you'll need cut amber, once again from that desert area, and knotweed rods from caves. Now we already collected cut amber to make the axe, we just need to collect a bit more and refine it to get enough to create the essence table. When you eventually collect enough to get one of these things, you'll need to plonk it down somewhere. I put it down maybe, I don't know, upstairs here, as such, and interacting with this, we'll get empty slots here where we can apply essences. If we choose an axe, for example, we can apply an essence of health and an essence of durability. We can put 3 of these on one tool. For example, the essence of durability, we use granite slabs and rough amber. The requirements for each of these enchantments seems to be the same across everything. Durability always seems to be rough amber and granite slab, whether it's uncommon, rare, or anything like that. All we need to do is collect one of these resources or enough of these resources to enchant our weapon, maybe once, sometimes twice, even 3 times, to make it last a really long time. For example, this axe over here will enchant all the way using just durability. We don't really need extra health, as we're not going to be attacking enemies with it. So 30 granite slabs. This will take quite a bit of time to do. Granite will need to convert into granite slabs here. So this will take, 3 minutes to do. And rough amber, we just need 3. Now for the most part, as enchanting requires the same resources for every enchantment, you'll probably want to create yourself a second stonebreaker and place this somewhere else. 35 marble, 20 knotweed. I don't have enough marble to make another one, but it would definitely speed things up. Otherwise, set 30 to create and walk away, do the rest of your things in the meanwhile. There we go. I've collected 30 of these, and now we can go ahead and enchant our first weapon. While you can use weapons or tools that aren't exactly full HP, I'd highly recommend you create a new one just to enchant it from fresh. So I'll select this one over here, choose durability, and we'll apply the essence. After it applies the first level, just like that, we've increased the durability of our weapons and tools for this specific one over here, and you can see a dot next to the icon. We can do this 2 more times, and there we go, we've now maxed it out. So this tool should now last a heck of a long time. If we choose the forest axe, we can do the same thing here, though of course we need to wait another half an hour for all of our granite to craft. So I'd highly recommend doing 30 at a time and just leaving it going. If you ever leave your base and you're not turning granite into granite slabs, then you definitely should be. There we go, we've crafted the rest of them, so we'll upgrade our axe this time. 1, then 2, and finally level 3. Just like that, this axe should last a heck of a lot longer, and we won't need to make so many. Unfortunately, they patched the chest repair glitch, so now you actually need to take care of your tools and weapons in order for them to last long enough. We can upgrade things like the crossbow as well to do more damage, or even your sword. While you may think the essence of health lets you do more damage on a sword or bow or things like that, it actually doesn't. It's supposed to increase the chance of healing items dropping, but I actually haven't got any, or at least any that I'm aware of, so I wouldn't recommend putting this on anything. Later on in the game, you'll get a damage enchant and a few others the further you progress, but for now, the only thing that's really worthwhile, at least somewhat, is essence of durability. Unfortunately though, I really haven't seen a huge increase in durability by putting it on. Maybe a small increase, but this is definitely something that needs to be improved, or at least I'd think so. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide, so hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!